To insert SIM card into your Poco F7 Pro, all you simply have to do is grab your phone, and on the bottom of the phone you can locate SIM tray. And one more thing that you need is the SIM tool, which you can find in the box, SIM tool or SIM pin, whatever we call it. And all you have to do from here is just insert this pin into this pinhole right here, like this, and from here push until this SIM tray ejects, as you can see right now. Let's take it out. You have to simply grab it with your nails and take it out like this. And even though if you have short nails, there is no problem with that, because as you can see, I also have short nails and there is no problem with taking it out. Alright, so right here we have our SIM tray with the SIM slot, and as you can see, we have this cut for the SIM on the bottom left corner, and basically this means that the SIM card also needs to be positioned with this cut on the bottom left corner. So it needs to look like this. Let me also take this SIM tray, so you will see that it needs to be positioned like this, with this chip side facing upwards. And from here, all you simply have to do is insert it right here, and just like this. As you can see, it fits all the way in, there are no problems. And from here, all you have to do is just take your phone and insert this SIM tray into your phone. And as you can see, as you take a look at this SIM tray hole, you can see how to insert the SIM tray. As you can see, it fits only all like in the one way, just like this. So there's no way that you will insert it bad, just like this. And that's basically how to do this.